an address where he will be meeting with her tonight.
No! I refuse to spy on my husband.
Then you are a fool.
No, wait. Leave the address.
Why don't we ask him what he suspects you and Cassio of, and at the same time, we can challenge him about his fidelity. Well, put his love to the test. It's perfectly natural to want to know if your spouse has been cheating on you. I would certainly want to know.
I just can't believe he'd do this. Even up to last night, he was telling me how much I meant to him.
It's a cover-up, no doubt. Desdemona, look at me. Hand on heart, I have nothing to gain from this. I'm only acting out of a loyalty to you. Look, I can see your pain, but you should know what Jamaican men are like. They will betray you. That's all they know.
Not Othello. He's kind, understanding, gentle.
No, the man is evil. Look, you didn't fall in love with Othello. You fell in love with an image he cultivated.
Maybe you're right. I should ask him about this girl.
But we mustn't be hasty. We must bide our time.
Why?
Othello is a devious and calculating man. If you confront him about this girl, he'll only turn it round and accuse you of betraying him with Cassio. No, first, we must get our proof. You know, when we're alone together, he often boasts about his sexual prowess over you and other white women. His remarks, they're painfully crude. He talks about taking revenge on you for what our race did to his during slavery, and how white women are only good for breeding and inferior to his black queens. He always talks like that after a few drinks.
Othello! But I see him as the epitome of the perfect black man, an icon to his people. How could he say those things?
Well, I felt enraged. I wanted to punch him in the face. And then he asked me to lie, whatever the cost to me, to get Fearless out of prison. But the last straw was when he began gloating about how he had impregnated you.
Oh.
That was the moment I just lost all respect for him.
Can you excuse me?
Yes, of course. Well, what do you think of my little plan? Mix-up. All the pieces are finally starting to fall into place, and their destruction is imminent. Well, why should he have her? She belongs to me. We'll see who has the power now, Othello. I'll destroy you and every black person who comes in between me and my fame. I feel awful to be the one to break this news to you, but I couldn't stand by and see him destroy you.
What do I do now?
Do nothing until you hear from me.
You can't leave me like this. I need your help.
Look, I really have to go. I'll call you on your mobile.
The perfect black man. Or the perfect setup.
Raven Lamore's residence, may I help you? Why don't you speak? I know you're there. Sure. Baby, mommy, baby. Kitty, kitty. Hello. Hello. Speak and stop wasting my time. Hold on. The bitch withheld our number.
What's up, Billy?
What?
What's what going?
Your baby mother keeps ringing the house and putting the phone down on me.
What?
Don't bother with it because I know it's her, okay? You know, answer it. Is she that again?
What's wrong with you?
Answer the phone before it wake the baby.
Hello? Of course I can hear you, man. Bad reception. Let me see if I can get some more reception. You hear me now? Tell you what, let me call you back later now because I can't speak right now, all right?
Leave my man alone. I saw.
Hello? No, man, that ain't nobody. What that? I love you.
You bitch. What did you say to her?
I'm mad at that.
Don't lie to me.